Well, the other day I was playing around the carburetor. If you remember, I squirted a little bit of juice in there, got the bike to fire. I called a friend and said, hey, what do you do to clean your carbs? He said, PurplePower, which is that stuff right there, and a Harbor Freight ultrasonic cleaner. I borrowed a higher end one from another friend of mine, and I did about a 20% PurplePower with purified water. And the friend that owns the cleaner said, hey, put it in a glass jar. You use a lot less chemical and it works pretty good. So let me show you what I got concocted. I should have taken a shot of the carburetor as I broke it down, but so I am about to embark on taking the carburetor off and getting it ready to soak, and then I'll go ahead and do the rebuild on it. But anyway, that's where we're at. Well, 5 minutes, not even that, probably 3 minutes, that's your carburetor. So we're gonna trying to drain it out. I got some fuel in here. It drips. And I put everything in a glass bowl so I know where it's at. And it's like they use silicone. I was kind of surprised that it only uses a rubber ring and not a gasket on the intake there, but maybe that's normal. Take the bail off so that we can, that's why I fought earlier. I'm putting everything in a glass jar just so I know where it's at. But that is gunky. I'm not sure if you guys can really see it. It's not good. Yeah, so I'm blowing in where the fuel comes in, and the needle and seat is not working well. So I'm gonna stop there until tomorrow. I gotta get some stuff to sit the carburetor in so it can clean itself. I'm trying to just look at the needle and seat, see how this comes apart or doesn't come apart. There's one of the jets. Yeah, there's no way that thing's gonna run right now. Nothing going through that jet at all. The hole's clear. Well, we're gonna take it all apart and we're gonna do it right. Kind of want to send it off for vapor blast, but I may just order a new carb. Use this one as a spare. Gotta figure out how to get the float off without monkeying anything up. So the carburetor is icky. In there, you can see a Honda 50 carburetor. It looks like, you know, kind of those deviled eggs. Kind of looks gross. And here's the little cleaner I'm going to use. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the basket out. Make sure there's enough water in there. And then I'm going to put that in there and give it a shot. So hopefully my jar's not too big. I guess if it is, then we'll figure it out. But that's what she's going to look like. Gonna let it run for about 20-30 minutes and see if we get some results. I'll let you know. Well, here's the after look. It's no longer purple. Let's see what those parts look like when we pull them out. Still a little bit warm, so I think what I'm gonna do is pour some of this water. That's got some heat to it. That'll definitely turn the carb a gray, which I saw somewhere that might happen. But see how this looks overall. That's the carb base and the body. Definitely much cleaner, other than I think the use of the PurplePower turned that a little bit black, kind of a gray look. Looks like there's some stuff still down in there a little bit, but overall, holy cow, night and day different. Float looks good. Yeah, most of that stuff came out really, really clean compared to what it was. Hopefully you guys can see the difference. Of course, I didn't really need to clean these because they give you replacements. But that looks super good. Well, we're gonna put the carb back together and see if it or works any different. We'll check in a bit. We finished the carb rebuild. My friend Mike stopped by, gave me a hand getting everything set on the float. The other friend that told me to use PurplePower, be careful doing that if it's an aluminum carburetor. What we found out is it had a chemical reaction with the aluminum and it turned it kind of a slate gray. Hopefully you can see that. Got the new screws in, got the new jets in, got everything adjusted the best we know how. Got the new metering rod that goes down in the Venturi. We're gonna bolt it back on the bike and then we're gonna kick it off and hope for the best. So in a couple minutes, we'll be back with you. Thanks. All right, so moment of truth. Got a little Go Juice, a little card cleaner. I'm gonna squirt a little bit in there to help prime it a little. Got the choke on. Guess it helps to open it first before I squirt the shit in there. Now, Mike, if I catch on fire, the fire extinguisher's up there.
Yeah, I'll just watch it burn.
Mike's like, yeah, I'll just watch it burn.
More fireworks.
All right, so we're neutral. And go right towards Mike's nuts.
Yeah.
It ain't going anywhere.
Come on, baby. It's trying.
It's trying.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's reset those. Hey, it ran! Woohoo! Man, it stinks. But it ran. What'd you say, 1 5/8, or there's just no settings on this?
1 5/8. It did no settings on that one.
That's 1/2 and another half turn, right? Is that what we figured?
It actually has a key. That's hilarious.
That changed to you?
Got narrowly.
That's leaking at the carburetor base. Hear that? That's all she got. Hey, we finally got the Z50 running. Georgia approved because her tail's wagging. I want to thank all of you for your encouragement and your comments throughout this process. And we hope that you enjoyed the videos and look forward to making some more as we get ready to tear it down and do a complete rebuild. Until next time, peace.